Agritechnica is going on right now, and it's arguably one of the biggest equipment shows in the world. And Kemper came in just swinging as hard as they can with something that I knew was coming. I just didn't expect it to come out this quick, but check this out. That is a 16-row corn header for an F9 John Deere chopper. The size and the weight of this thing is going to be astounding, not to mention the amount of crop that you can actually gather in and bring to the back. I haven't been able to find any info on this other than it exists, it's at a show, and this is what's coming. They weren't the only ones either. Kloss came in there with a 16-row corn header on the front of their big 1200, and Krone also showed up with a 16-row head. It just shows that these equipment manufacturers are still really focused on higher horsepower, higher throughput machines. And I can't say that I'm surprised about this. We went to a forage symposium at Wisconsin Dells like 3 or 4 years ago, and they had Deere engineers there, and they had an open conference format. Anyone that had a Deere chopper was allowed to go, and they asked you, what do you want to see in the next chopper? And the number one biggest thing the customers were asking for was more power and more throughput. It seems to be where the industry is going, at least for choppers.